I'm not sure what's going on.
You're not sure what's going on? Don't worry. Okay, hi everyone. My name is Sandie. Thank you so much for joining us. Welcome to the program. Okay, so today I am in Ishinomaki and I am here with, introduce yourself.
My name is Miyuki.
And
Mona.
And we're in matching sweaters.
Yay!
Can't wait today.
Okay, so today Miyuki is going to show us how to make a Japanese dish, right?
Yes.
What are you going to teach us how to make?
It's called udon.
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 And what is
udon?
Japanese udon? And what is that?
It's one of the favorites.
I like it. Yes.
What do you like about it?
The noodle and the soup. Is it miso taste?
Not soy taste.
Soy taste.
Soy taste.
Soy taste. Soy sauce taste.
Oh, soy sauce.
Okay.
And I like
the broth.
Broth. And I like the green things and all of the things
Is
that
that
you put in.
scallion?
And Miyuki's a good cook.
Yeah, green onion.
Okay.
We call
All
it
right.
scallion.
And I see that we have some things here. So what are some of the things that we will use?
It's pork.
Oh, this is pork,
And it's chicken.
chicken.
I make two types of udon.
Oh, we're lucky.
Oh.
And then this is the noodles, right?
Yes.
Udon.
Okay, udon. And we have two packs. But what's this?
The bean curd.
Oh,
The
okay.
fried tofu.
Oh, tofu. Okay. All right. So we're very excited and we're hungry. How do we say we're hungry in Japanese?
Onakasuita.
At school, that's peko peko.
Students say peko peko.
So yeah, we're hungry. We're gonna cook. So thank you so much for having us.
No problem. You are always welcome.
Always
Thank
welcome.
you.
And this
Thank
is my
you.
Japanese mother.
Oh,
Yesterday
yeah.
we went to
Mona's
Sandie's Japanese
Japanese.
mother.
Yes.
And
My
today we
daughter.
are at
Yeah.
my Japanese mother's house. And she's
She's
a
so
wonderful
beautiful.
cook.
Ah,
Blush, blush, blush.
thank you. Don't ask my age.
Young girl.
Alright, see you in
so-
the next.
See you in the next frame. We're gonna start cooking. Thank you.
Okay.
All right. Okay, Miki. So let's get started. So first step, what do we do?
To prepare boiled water,
Okay.
okay, and cut the bean curd.
Okay.
Can I do that?
Yes, of course. You can start.
This pot is for pork.
Okay.
Pork. Cut one bite size.
Okay.
And another pot is for chicken.
Oh. So are you boiling the chicken?
Yes.
Okay. So the pork is, did you season it before? Do you season with salt or pepper?
No.
Okay.
I didn't do anything. It's simple, just pork and the chicken.
Okay.
And the most important thing is konbutsuyu.
What's that?
Yeah, konbutsuyu.
Is that like soy sauce?
A kind of sweet taste, soy sauce.
Okay.
So, soy sauce and a little bit sake and the broth inside.
Okay. And is that something you buy at the grocery store?
Yeah.
Okay.
Everywhere at supermarket, you can buy it.
Okay. And you're adding that to both the
Yes.
chicken and the...
you are in making noodles, you have to prepare. Do you know this? Tempura. Tempura.
Okay.
So you should heat
Yes.
in a grill. About 3 minutes. Heat up.
Okay. Your kitchen is so beautiful. Yes. Wonderful. Kawaii.
Hawaii?
Yes. Eat it. Your house is beautiful. Yes. And it feels nice and warm and it smells good.
It's my taste,
Yeah.
not my husband.
I don't think maybe you would have said my taste.
And next, you should add some flakes,
Okay.
and fish flakes, to make taste a little bit stronger,
Okay.
rich. Can you smell?
Yes, yes.
Yes, start to smell it.
I smell the sauce, like the sake.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sake and the mirin
Okay.
and the broth.
Uh-huh.
Is it the
And the
sake
sauce-
that they drink?
Is it like the alcohol that you drink at the bar?
Monoji?
No,
No, little bit not so strong.
it's not for drinking.
Okay.
It's for
Cooking.
cooking.
So you have cooking sake and
Yeah,
drinking
cooking
sake.
sake, not drinking sake.
Okay.
Is it strong as the drinking sake?
I don't think so. I think it's weak. Can you try the taste?
Ima? どうぞ。
じゃあサンディちゃん、はい。
Okay. And what is this?
スープ。
Oh, it's a udon soup. Okay.
It's good.
Oishi.
Good?
Oishi.
I think Sandie loves udon and
And
ramen
ramen.
more than me. Which do you like?
I like ramen. What I like udon because the noodles are thick.
Yeah, me
Yeah.
too.
But I love noodles and I love soup. So the combination of it is very good.
Yeah, I thought Jamaican ladies like soup and the noodle.
Huh.
Yes. In Jamaica, we have a tradition. Every Saturday, you drink soup. Yeah. Have you ever made soup for her, Rebecca?
I had made it for Noki. Noki can tell you pumpkin soup. But our soup is like a full meal. It's not like just broth. Some soup we just have the broth only. But we have a lot of stuff in it that makes it an entire meal.
Right.
And they put noodles into the soup
Okay.
for a while.
Oh, you just strain the fish taste. You strain it.
So how long do you cook the pork and the chicken for?
Maybe 3 minutes.
3 minutes, okay.
And keep watching until the noodles are become fluffy.
Okay.
Fluffy.
Wow.
Maybe 3 or 4 minutes.
Okay. The noodles are pre-cooked, right? Are the noodles pre-cooked?
Yes.
Okay.
It doesn't take long.
Maybe steamed or.
Yes. I really like it's the curd? Yeah, I like that.
You can get it anywhere. Yeah, in a supermarket. And your tempura is ready. It's for Instagram.
Yes, and YouTube. So you're doing it for the gram.
I did it for the gram yesterday, Miyuki.
She did it. I worked her.
Oh my god.
Okay, I add some green onion
Okay.
into the soup.
I love that.
Do you love that?
It's like a restaurant meal. Yesterday we got an entire restaurant meal. Today we got another
Today
one.
is home cooking meal.
Home cooking by mom.
Oh my gosh. I'm welcome to this every time.
There are a lot of people who believe that if a dish is made with love, it tastes better.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of love in this udon.
The noodles are ready.
Yay!
Yay!
Yatta. This is how
It looks so good.
Miyuki, what's that? White and pink. Is that it?
이거는 kind of fish cake.
Oh, it's fish cake.
Oh, that's a fish cake. This looks so professionally done, Miyuki.
I'm.
Oh, you're putting the tempura in it too.
Yes.
Oh my god.
This is what I noticed with Japanese Miyuki, and I enjoy having Japanese meal. You think that they make the meals like this for people, but this is how they actually do it for themselves on a daily basis.
And you are okay to put on the no seaweed.
Yes,
Oh,
I love
okay.
seaweed.
Oh,
Oh,
you got
yes,
it.
please. I love nori.
The noodles are ready.
Yay! Oh my.
This is how it is.
Can I see it? Let me see.
Here you
Oishi
are.
so.
Hi.
Mona, smile.
Delishi. I got my udon.
We got it.
I'm ready to have it. Hi, which do you like, Sandie?
Chicken, deja vu.
This is chicken. Okay, this chicken, right, Miyuki? It's chicken. Right here. This pork.
Okay. はい、どうぞいただきまして。
Okay, really? Come.
Oh, get a and then we.
Okay, and so what do we say? Thank you very much. What do we say before we eat in Japan?
いただきます。
Itadakimasu.
はい、召し上がれ。
Arigatou
どういた
gozaimasu.
しまして。
Thank you.
So I realized we have chopsticks.
Yes.
What do I call these in Japan?
箸。
Hashi.
Hashi.
Chopsticks. And then we have a spoon.
Yes.
And what's the custom? You keep the spoon in your left hand
Yes.
and then the chopsticks in the right.
Perfect.
Okay, so let's taste. Let's go.
Use our chopstick.
Oishi.
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 I'm so happy.
I like the noodles.
Yeah. Oishi. Oishi.
In Japan, this is how they eat the noodles.
Slap.
Okay, so I am finished. Oishikata.
よかった。
Mona, how are you doing over there?
What the?
She's trying
I think she's gonna steal my Japanese mother because she eats up all food.
Mona, you're trying to say about bellios, right?
Oh my god.
A good, proper bellios. And we got dessert and also green tea. Japan is the best ever.